Okay, so what we're gonna do next, folks, is we're gonna take dissimilar thicknesses with a different geometry and a different metal. So now we're gonna be using aluminum. All right, so the dissimilar thicknesses, we're gonna use 120 thou piece of aluminum, as you can see here, and we're gonna corner weld that to a 40 thou piece of aluminum. Now, just by default, that's a very difficult weld to do with MIG or TIG, but with the LighWELD 1500, that's actually pretty easy. So I got this corner jig here that's going to assist you to make sure I get a perfect 90 degrees. So we're going to put the 120 thou piece on first, as so. And then the 40 thou piece on. So now, as you can see, I'm just going to be using my fingers to brace this so I can put a couple of tack weld on. That's all I'm going to do for mechanical tie down on this assembly. So I'll give it a tack weld here. Okay, and I'm going to give it a tack weld right at the bottom. Now, as you can tell, the laser is pulsing. So that's a different type of IPG preset that we're going to use that makes welding aluminum very controllable with a very controllable melt pool. Okay, so we got our tack welds on. Everything's looking good. I'm going to drop my visor. Let's get started. Okay, that looks pretty good. So what we just did, we took that sharp angle of these two dissimilar thicknesses of aluminum and we gave ourselves a nice fillet weld there. Let's check deformation. Look at that, folks. That's a perfect 90 degrees with a nice rounded fillet. That's very difficult to do with MIG and TIG. To learn more about the LighWELD 1500, please click the link on the description below.